Right, just a slightly weird one I wanted to show you. I couldn't get it on camera, I wish I did. But a weird pheasant bait I reckon you could use. Dandelions, because I actually watched a pheasant for about 10 minutes going around finding dandelions and picking them, pecking them like this and eating the ends of them. And I watched him do that, like I said, for about 10-15 minutes. There's definitely something he was eating, and that's dandelions. So if I can ever get it on camera, I'll show you, but like I said, I definitely witnessed it. I noticed on there's a couple of ants, whether it was picking ants, but it definitely seemed to be plucking bits off. You can hear one there. And he was eating dandelions, so I reckon possibly some dandelions in the back of your cage like that. Maybe even snip them off so they sit upright like that. I reckon that's definitely a potential for a natural pheasant bait, or maybe just a bird bait in general. Right, anyway, thanks for watching, I'll see you later.